Hey everybody, it's the next day after the little snowstorm. I already shoveled out here on Burgundy once. I'm gonna do it again real quick. Just picked up some paint so I can put a second coat in the kitchen. Got some other work to do today. Let's go ahead and get this shovel knocked out. In this next clip, I'm going to show you guys how to assemble the upper wall cabinets from Cabinets to Go. So you want to bring your box in. This was my very first one that I did, so I didn't really have the flow, but open the box up and use that as your area. You're going to start with the face of the cabinets, which has the doors attached to it. You lay that face down and then find out what's your side panel. So depending on the dimensions of your cabinets, it's either going to be your small pieces or your big pieces. You put your side panels in and lock them in with the cam locks, and then do your top and bottom in the same thing. Now the back piece I didn't figure out, but it actually goes with the unfinished side would be facing out. You put that in, and then there's going to be pre-drilled holes and the 1-inch screws that you'll find in the package. You'll put those in, and then there'll be little silver brackets. You can see me trying to figure out what to do and where to put them. I wasn't sure if they go inside or what, but these little L brackets go on the top and the bottom of the cabinet, in the front corners that connect the face and the sides of the cabinet. And then on some cabinets you also put one down the middle as well. And then you're done if you don't have any shelves. If you do have shelves, I'll show you on the next one how that'll work. Okay, you can see now I have a better flow going. I knew that the box needs to go down, and I know that the face of the cabinet needs to be my first piece down. Sorry, I had my back to the camera on this one. Pretty self-explanatory. Sides first, then top and bottom. Slide your back piece in, lock that in with the 1-inch screws, and then go ahead and put your L brackets on the top. Be very gentle when you're using the impact gun. You don't want to crack anything. Take your time. It'll all come together very, very easily. Okay, so on this one, this is a double door 36 upper wall cabinet. So this is one of the bigger cabinets that Cabinets to Go has to offer. So again, you put your face down and then your side panels. Now your top and bottom panels go in and lock them in with the cam locks. This one we stood up and went ahead and slid the back panel in. And you'll see me here put 3 screws across the top, 1, 2, 3. And then I start working on those L brackets, 1 in each corner and 1 in the middle. Then we're going to go ahead and we're going to flip this cabinet upside down, and I'm going to repeat the same thing. 3 screws across the top, and then my 3 L brackets across the front top of the cabinet. And then this one has shelves, so go ahead and get your shelf clips and decide where you want them, and start with your upper shelf. Slide it in, and as it gets in, it'll click right into place. Very simple, very well designed to to make it easy. So that's my how to assemble the upper wall cabinets. Well, I guess that's pretty much going to wrap up today's video. It's a freaking blizzard out there again today. Show you guys in the backyard. So I see a lot more shoveling in my future. Cowboy Mike again knocked it out of the park. He's still got to put his top coat on, but it looks fabulous. I believe he's going to buff this a little bit too. We have a marble transition threshold going here, similar to what I have there in the bathroom. We have another long one that's going to go right here. And then we have these 2 wood strips that are going to fill in a couple places, like right here, from tile to wood. So just a quick update on what we got done today. We got all the upper cabinets put together. We got 3 right there. We got number 4, 5, and 6. And we got 7 and 8. So that's all the uppers. And we will put the lowers together as soon as we get those hung. I already got my laser level going. So that'll tell us our bottom line of our cabinet, roughly 18 inches above our countertop. So pretty good shape there. I can show you real quick. I went ahead and hung up this door for the laundry room. Just why not, you know, the frame was painted, the door was painted. Shuts really nice. Nice good reveal all the way around. We'll throw some trim up around that when we're getting to that stage, which will be crazy enough, guys. You know, while I was painting the doors and the trim, I was thinking to myself, it's gonna be weeks before I use this stuff. And really, in the next week or so, all these doors and trim will go up, because I'd like to pretty much get the kitchen together, finish the flooring, and then go ahead, throw all the doors and the trim up and paint the walls. Kind of all in one time. I don't want to have to be going around with paint for, you know, freaking, I know it'll be weeks, but I don't want to be doing it for months. So it'd be nice to just get it all done. You know, I've been breaking in the paint past week or two, just doing a couple small projects, but it's basically going to be time to paint this whole house. I know we painted it once when we primed it and we did the ceilings, but now we got to add some colors to the wall. So that second coat of yellow really came out good. I just went to right here. There's too much stuff in the way over here to paint, but that yellow is actually going to continue all the way down to that corner, and then we'll have a blue, well, we think blue will be our accent wall right here and continue to right here. So yellow will stop right there at the pantry. So I think that's gonna be it for today, guys. I'm gonna get this stuff out and try to get a video out every day, maybe every other day till the project's done. Alrighty, we'll see ya.